Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Практикуемся говорить. Страница 164-165. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Further speaking practice. Page number 164, 165. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 164. 164. Further speaking practice. Preferences. Exercise number 1. Take roles and read out. Практикуемся говорить. Предпочтение. Разыграйте по ролям. Do you like dancing? I love dancing. What about you? I don't like dancing, but I love painting. Really? I don't like painting at all. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Walk in pairs. Use the pictures below or your own ideas and act out similar dialogues. Работайте в парах. Используйте картинки и свои собственные идеи. Разыграйте похожий диалог. Do you like singing? I love singing. What about you? I don't like singing, but I love swimming. Really? I don't like swimming at all, but I like running. Boys and girls, do exercise number 1. Describing your pet. Take roles and read out. Описываем питомца. Разыграйте по ролям. Have you got a pet? Yes, I've got a dog. His name is Max. Really? What does he look like? He's got big ears and a fat body. He's very cute. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Walk in pairs. Use the pictures below or your own ideas and act out similar dialogues. Работайте в парах. Используйте картинки или свои собственные идеи и разыграйте похожий диалог. Have you got a pet? Yes, I have got a rabbit. His name is Crush. Really? What does he look like? He's got big ears and a fat body. He's very cute. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 165, 165. Further speaking practice. Describing your room. Exercise number 1. Take roles and read out. Описание своей комнаты. Разыграйте по ролям. What's your room like? It's blue and white. Is it big? No, it is not very big. Is there a desk? Yes, there is a desk next to my bed. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Walk in pairs. Use your own ideas and act out similar dialogues. Работайте в парах, используйте свои собственные идеи и разыграйте похожий диалог. What's your room like? It's green and brown. Is it big? Yes, it's big. Is there an armchair? No, there isn't an armchair. But there is a chair next to my desk. My dear friends, do exercise number 1, talking about roadiness. Take roles and read out. Говорим о каждодневных делах. Разыграйте по ролям. Дмитрий. What time do you get up in the morning? Eva. At 7 o'clock I have breakfast and I go to school. What about you? Dmitry. I usually get up at 7 too. What time do you go to bed? Eva. At 9 o'clock. But at the weekends I go to bed at 10. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Walk in pairs. Use your own ideas and act out similar dialogues. Работайте в парах. Используйте собственные идеи и разыграйте похожий диалог. What time do you have lunch in the afternoon? At 1 o'clock. Then I visit my friends and do my homework. What about you? I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock. What time do your parents come back at home? They come back to home at 7 o'clock in the evening. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.